don't look behind.
Okay guys, today we're going for a test drive in a 1970 model GTO. This one's got a matching number 400, power steering, AC, and it's a 4-speed car. I'm excited to take it down the road. It's beautiful. We had it on the front row. I brought it back here, wiped it off just for this test drive. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos pretty much every day. If you like the music at the beginning, go on over to Southgate production channel. That is a music channel here on YouTube. I created all myself. And of course, we do a walk around video of this car as well. I want you to check out. It's going to be pointing out any kind of flaws on the body all the way around the car. We're going to check the interior out. So there's all sorts of information coming off this channel. You can also go to maplemotors.com and see our financing and shipping options. I guess we'll go ahead and shut the hood. Hood shuts down nice and easy. If you're new, hit that notification bell and it'll let you know every time I post a car for sale. It's about that time, guys. Let's go for a ride. I'm gonna look around the interior before I take off. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? That's a little game we'll be playing on this channel. I'm gonna cross the dash. Looks pretty good other than this little split right here. Looking around the interior. Of course, we're gonna be looking in detail on the other videos, so be sure to watch. A little wrinkly back here, the headliner. And we'll go ahead and start her up. Does start up nice and easy. We got a 4-speed transmission in here. We do have AC, and it does work. We're gonna try the windshield wipers too. They do work. Horn? Horn works. Okay. Radio? I don't think the radio is gonna work. It was already on. Coming across the gauges here. It's like our gas gauge is coming up. It does work. Oil pressure's working, as well as the temperature gauge. It's showing 69,000 miles on the dash. And the tach's coming up. Okay, let's take her down the road and see how she drives. Get her seatbelt on, get ready to take off here. The clutch lets off the floor. I mean, as soon as you let off, it starts pulling. It feels awesome already. Everything's already feeling nice and smooth. I'm not even out of the parking lot. Speedometer's already coming up. Check these brakes. Brakes are a little bit spongy. I'll find out when we get going down the road. So anything that I see, I will let you know about throughout this test drive. It just comes right out of the lot. As soon as you pull off the clutch, it just starts pulling without even touching the gas. It's a good feeling. Car is pulling to the right a little bit. If I let go of the steering wheel, it starts pulling me off the road. Let's check these brakes. They're pretty good. Stopping just fine. A little spongy, but they're stopping just fine. So. Must be a new clutch in this one. A little bit of a vibration in the steering wheel too. Both turn signals are popping up on the dash. Be sure to watch the walk around video. That'll go over turn signals, headlights, tail lights, stuff like that as well. I can hear that speedo cable chopping away. Just got a good feeling to it. It feels nice and smooth everywhere. Steering, the clutch, every gear I throw it in, it's just like butter. I'm gonna pull in this parking lot here. We're gonna go ahead and do an outside video describing the car. That's the one I've been telling you about, and I'll put it towards the end of this video so that you can check it out thoroughly. We'll also get some undercarriage shots. And if you want to see what I use to make these videos, just look below in the description. I put Amazon links to everything. Okay. Let's check our e-brake. Good deal. Just park it right here. Just about messed up there, didn't I? Scratched the little cover on the lens. That's why I like GoPro 7s. They have a cover over the lens to protect it. It's clear, it doesn't change the picture or anything. It just kind of keeps dust off of the main lens. Well, and then when you run over it with a car like I just did, it makes it to where I can keep using it. So this is the same camera. We're heading on back to the lot now. Sorry I had to put your visor down in your way. The sun is blaring through right now. See if I can tilt it up. This thing shifts awesome. Every gear is just nice and smooth. Got plenty of power. we're coming up on that road right here. It's got the speed bump in it. Kind of gives me a chance to show off the suspension the best I can through a video. I'll kind of give you a rating, like a 1 through 10. And I'll also get on it a little bit because it's kind of an empty road all the time. So let's get it. She's trying to spin a little bit. Speed bump's coming up right here. Nice and smooth. I'd have to give this one probably an 8 out of 10 on suspension. It's one thing about this car I've noticed, it feels like butter driving it around. It's nice. Little tire chirp. So I have noticed this one is low. I don't want to go over this big hump over here. I'd rather just play it safe and drive up the front. Make a little cut through here. At some point. Oh yeah, we got this. So we're coming through right here. This is one of the guys right down the road, does a lot of customizing on vehicles. His name's Brian. He's at Brian's Motorsports. He's got an Instagram, a Facebook, and a website. So go to briansmotorsports.com, check them out. He's always doing BMS packages. That's kind of like one of his BMS packages that he does for the new trucks. I actually had one put on my truck. He's doing all the new Hummers and everything, so definitely give him a shout if you buy a car from us and you want wheels, tires, custom stereo, console, or interior. He's your guy. And it's a walking distance from the lot. It's worth checking out. So we're gonna pull back in the lot here. Oh, that kind of scared me. And we're gonna get some pictures of this car. Go ahead and finish this test drive up. I want to thank y'all for riding along with me. Hopefully y'all had a good time. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. I appreciate you riding along with me. Hit that subscribe button for daily content from Maple Motors. We do post cars every Monday, new rides to the channel. I have financing and shipping options, plus 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. If you want to see more of that Hot Wheels channel, just go to Jim Fights Hot Wheels right here on YouTube. You can see some of the videos that I've been making of that. I've been doing that daily as well as the music that people keep calling about. I appreciate that. Go on over to Southgate Production, hit subscribe. We've been working on some stuff. Should be putting out a lot of stuff with a full band live for y'all to watch on there. So whoever's interested in that, jump on over there. If you like this video, hit subscribe for here. I'm gonna go in here and grab a Cadillac, drop the top on it, and take it for a test drive. It's coming up next. All right, guys, I'll see y'all later.